Yeah. Omanality, the mother food to talk. Omanality, the mother food to
I was doing my homework while you were playing video games. Mama's cooking delicious dinner while dad's football team was losing a match. We were laughing loudly, although the latter wasn't funny. I was opening the freezer when the lights gave up. I was thinking about making some sandwiches, but obviously this time for me, no luck.
Back then, verses in the middle, past simple, past continuous, little by little. What was happening? What went? While and when, light up the room, yeah. While and when, while and when, light up the room. While and when, light up the room, yeah.
I was walking to school when my shoelace snapped. We were scrolling memes when the teacher suddenly clapped. You were listening closely while I was taking notes. I was raising up my hand when our friend spoke. While shows the background, the long-running scene. When is the moment that in between? I was texting a friend when your message came through. We were learning these rules while the bell rang too.
Back then, verses in the middle, past simple, past continuous, little by little. What was happening? What went? While and when, light up the room, yeah. While and when, yeah. While and when, light up the room. While and when, light up the room, yeah. While